Well, welcome to my office. So we have some pitch from this gnarly ponderosa pine tree. You get some of these soft pieces of pitch off, and then you want some hard pieces of pitch. Now the soft ones help soften up the whole glue that you have. And so you want a mixture of the soft and hard pitch. There's some of the softer stuff. Yeah! Just another example of pitch on a tree. Another injured spot trying to heal itself, just oozing out pitch. It's all over the place once you start looking for it.
Oh yeah, it's come breathe. With the leaves work too.
Get us some tinder. We're getting the tops of the grass where it's drier. Is that one alive or dead? Watch your hand. Don't cut towards yourself.
Live.
All right.
I remember when you used to get me bows out of this.
Oh yeah.
See if I can.
Can't break it. Oh, there. Are you strong?
Yeah, I'm still strong.
Am I strong?
Yeah.
How strong?
I can't bend it. Bend it. Not you two.
We have our tinder. We have our brace about the size of our tinder. Our best small stuff ready to go. Lots of natural tinder like this, turn it around, upside down, so the flame can burn up. Let some oxygen get in it. Okay. Melt your pitch slow. You don't want it to boil. That weakens it and makes it a lot more brittle. Also, mash up your black ash real fine, just so it doesn't have big powder granules of black ash in there. People call the black ash the temper. It helps to strengthen up your pitch and keep it from being so brittle. As long as having your half soft, half solid pitch, and then I'm gonna add your temper or your black ash a little bit at a time. Some people have put in moose droppings, rabbit droppings before. The grass and other things can act like a binder in there. That can help. But for now, we're just gonna do this. Kind of filter your pitch out. That I just took out a piece of bark there. Make it nice and fine. Put a little bit, put a pinch of black charcoal in. And you'll see it turn almost a greenish type of color, dark greenish. So just enough black ash until it just starts to turn black. You don't want to put too much black ash in. That can be counterproductive and still make it brittle there. Still a little green. So you hear people all the time say, well, there isn't a set ratio that I do it. And Well, they're right. But that's the hard part is when you don't know what you're looking for in the first place. So just when it turns past that dark greenish color into black and you're not boiling it, then your pitch glue is done. It's done from there. And what you want to do from this point, put it on your stick, let it cool off, and then do it again, over and over, and then build it up. A little bit of ash from the fire. Once it cools just enough, then it won't stick to your hand, and then you can form it. It's still real soft right now and warm. It's okay to heat it up, cool it down, heat it up, cool it down. That doesn't hurt it.
Well, it's a softer bread dough.
Yeah. Ready to go, ready to put in the pack for some primitive survival glue. Works awesome. So if you want to put an arrowhead on a stick, get that ready to go. Heat up your pitch stick. Wipe some of it on your arrowhead. Whatever you have that you want to glue, move quick and then glue it to your other piece. Glue and hold it. And then you can reinforce with sinew, natural fibers, whatever you have. Thanks for being with me, survivors. Keep surviving. Woo!